Friends, welcome to Sit Tech 9. So in the last video we have discussed about how to take the data backup on a time machine. So in this video we will learn about how to restore the data from the time machine if your system is crashes or unknowingly you have deleted the files from your system. So the first step we will take, like I will delete JMF100 exam course. Right click, move to bin. Also I will delete it from the bin to click on the empty bin. Now we will try to recover the deleted data from the time machine. So I have connected with the external drive. In the last video I have done the time machine backup. So now click on the menu bar, click on the browse time machine backups. So here you can see that many options like yesterday backup, today backup and now backups. So I will select the previous date like 12:46 am, and now I will select the JAM100 exam course and then click on the restore. After restore you can see that my JAM100 data is come on the desktop. So that's all friend. If you missed the video like how to take the data backup the time machine, just go back in my previous videos and watch for better understanding. Thanks all. Thanks for watching.